New York Comptroller Brad Lander arrested amid Trump-era immigration crackdown. Peace Gassel Global TV reporting. In a moment that has shocked both political observers and civil liberties advocates, New York City Comptroller Brad Lander was arrested by federal agents on Tuesday at a Manhattan immigration court. Lander, a prominent progressive figure and Democratic mayoral hopeful, was reportedly detained by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) while accompanying a non-citizen defendant following an immigration hearing. The incident occurred at 26 Federal Plaza, a federal building where immigration cases are frequently held. Lander, who has long advocated for immigrant protections and transparent legal processes, was participating in an initiative aimed at promoting due process and ensuring accountability during immigration proceedings. Video footage from the scene shows masked agents intercepting Lander as he walked alongside the defendant. In the video, Lander questions the legality of their actions and insists they show a valid judicial warrant, an issue that has been a central point in ongoing debates around immigration enforcement practices. ICE officials later claimed Lander was arrested for obstructing and assaulting federal officers. However, Lander vehemently denied the allegations, stating that he neither touched the agents nor acted violently. He said his actions were in defense of civil rights and due process, which he believes are under increasing threat. "What happened today is not about me," Lander said after his release. "It's about the erosion of justice for people like Edgardo, the man I was walking with, whose right to a fair hearing is being stripped away by a system growing more hostile by the day." The arrest is emblematic of the mounting tension between the Trump administration and progressive city officials across the country. President Donald Trump's aggressive immigration agenda has sparked widespread backlash, with federal agents expanding enforcement actions in sensitive locations like courthouses, often without judicial warrants. Civil liberties advocates argue that these tactics instill fear in immigrant communities and erode public trust in government institutions. Lander's arrest follows a broader pattern of confrontations between federal agents and elected Democratic officials. Just days earlier, U.S. Senator Alex Padilla, California, was temporarily detained after challenging Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem during a press briefing in Los Angeles. Trump reportedly also suggested that California Governor Gavin Newsom could face arrest for his defiance of federal immigration policies. Support for Lander poured in from fellow public officials and advocacy organizations. New York Attorney General Letitia James condemned the arrest as a profound abuse of power, while former Governor Andrew Cuomo denounced the act as political thuggery. Assembly member Zohar Mamdani linked the incident to a broader ICE strategy of intimidation and suppression, aimed not only at immigrants but also those who defend them. Civil rights groups, including the New York Civil Liberties Union, describe the arrest as a dangerous precedent. When federal agents handcuff a city's comptroller for standing up for a constituent, it sends a chilling message that dissent is punishable, said NYC Executive Director Donna Lieberman. This isn't just an overreach, it's authoritarian behavior. Despite being released without formal charges, Lander's arrest is likely to become a flashpoint in the city's mayoral race and in the ongoing national debate over immigration enforcement and the limits of federal authority. Many fear that if even high-ranking elected officials can be detained under such circumstances, the implications for ordinary citizens, especially immigrants, are dire. As protests continue across the country, particularly in cities like Los Angeles and New York, the standoff between local governments and federal immigration authorities appears to be intensifying. What remains to be seen is how this clash will shape the legal and political landscape in the months ahead, and whether the courts or Congress will step in to redefine the boundaries of federal power. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment for more news.